Every man should lift. And if you are on TRT, that becomes even more important. Because TRT does not just improve your sex drive and well-being. It gives you the opportunity to rebuild and maintain your body like a younger man. But if you are not lifting, you are not giving your body the stimulus it needs. You are leaving too much on the table. Lifting is not just about appearance. It's mainly about health. Metabolic health, bone health, blood pressure control, confidence. Looking better is often just a side effect of being healthier. That's why men on TRT need to use this opportunity. That's why lifting becomes non-negotiable. The first thing to understand is that muscle is not just cosmetic. Yes, it can make you look better, but that's not the main reason why it matters. Muscle is functional and protective. It helps with metabolic health. It helps you to handle food better. And it helps you to stay stronger and more resilient as you age. And it matters for bone health too. As we get older, both muscles and bones need a reason to stay strong. If you do not give your body that stimulus, they will slowly deteriorate. And the more sedentary your lifestyle is, the faster the decline shows up. In my opinion, most men need minimum of 2 strength training sessions per week, 30 minutes each, with the sweet spot probably being 3 or 4 sessions per week, around 45 minutes to an hour. That's enough to make a real difference. And yes, other activities are great too. Running, swimming, golf and tennis can be great for cardiovascular fitness, mobility, coordination and general health. But they do not replace strength training. They complement it. So lifting is essential for our health as we age. It is bonus that it also makes us look better. Now, if you are on TRT, this becomes even more important. TRT can give you more drive, better recovery, better capacity to train. It can make you more willing to put the effort in. But if you are not lifting, you are wasting a lot of what TRT can offer. TRT doesn't give you muscle for free. It gives you the opportunity to build it. And if you are not training, there is no real stimulus for the body to respond to. TRT supports the process, but you still need to give your body the reason to hold on to muscle, build muscle and stay strong. TRT without training improves your capacity while you do very little with it. That is a wasted opportunity. That is why lifting on TRT matters so much. Not because we are trying to become bodybuilders, but because we are trying to stay strong, capable and functional. Without lifting, TRT leaves too much on the table. And this is the bigger point men often miss. Lifting is not just about how you look and feel now. It's about who you still are 10, 20 or 30 years from now. It's about being able to stand up from a toilet when you are 80, carry your shopping, walk up the stairs, have a grip strong enough to open a jar, and maybe handle a small fall without it being disaster. That may sound trivial now. 30 years from now, it won't. That is what I think about when I go to the gym. What would 80-year-old Vlad want me to do now? And there is mental side to this too. When you lift regularly, you usually feel better, more grounded, more capable, more like a man who is still in charge of his body, instead of slowly losing control of it. Because at some point, lifting isn't just fitness, it's self-respect. It's future-proofing. It's maintenance of the man you want to be as you age. That is why men must lift, TRT or not. Whether you are on TRT or not, men need muscle to age well. Not just to look better, to stay stronger, to stay healthier, to stay capable for longer. Muscle is one of the biggest levers we have to age well. That's why men must lift. If you want to work with me, I have few spaces available for late June. And if you want more honest content on TRT, health and rebuilding yourself properly, subscribe.